Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today I will show you how to fix BeReal app not working properly. So the first thing that you have to do is go to your upper corner here, go to your three dots, and then make sure that your time zone is on Europe, and also make sure to go down below and make sure to go to your notifications and enable all notifications right here. After you have done that, go here to your mobile phone, go to settings, and go here and type in BeReal. Now, once you type in BeReal, you will have to go into the app, make sure notifications are also allowed, and you have notification categories right here in order to receive notifications, and then go to storage and make sure to clear the cache. After you have done that, go back and make sure to go to your Google Play Store right here, and then go to your BeReal, type in BeReal, and then make sure to update the app. After you have done all of that, make sure to restart your mobile device and then go back to your BeReal, and you should be having a working BeReal. So you should have a BeReal that's actually working and that's not lagging. If you still have any issues, comment down below your issue and I'll help you out by recording another video on these issues. But that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next BeReal video.